Okay, so welcome once again to the batch 2 of this zero food waste competition for our Royal Island chefs. So this is now the batch 2 and we are in preparation. This is the first steps, the preparation. We are doing, and while they are busy preparing, so preparation is ongoing right now, and here ongoing preparation. These are this is the judges. Chef Nisad is ongoing preparation for his entry, and the other chefs as well are busy too. Go ahead, chef. All the competitors are busy for this preparation. Okay, so busy right now, so let's have a look on who's going to be the winner for this second batch of this competition. Still shaking shot. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this time is plating. They are now started to do the plating. These are the participants of this batch 2 for zero waste food competition. So for the plating, this is created by, this is the food of Saddam, and here is Sujun. So plating is one of the most important as well. You know, and this is on how they do the and put some personal touches into their creation. And by the way, this is the batch 2 for the zero food waste competition here at the Royal Island Resort and Spa, Maldives. So this is now the second batch for this zero food waste competition, and this is the creation made by our chefs. And it seems it's all okay. It seems sumptuous, seems delicious. Let us see what would the judges may say on this creation. So this time, the judges are now do the rating when it comes to the how it is being presented. The menu presentation is now being judged by our visiting chefs in Maldives. Is part of the World Association of Chefs Society here in Maldives. They are still deliberating about the menu, the texture, the presentation, the combination of colors, and even the type of cookery that they are doing, or rather being used for their menu presentation. So here we have mango jelly, sashi cream, and turbot, and the other one is vegetable fried rice with vegetable pakora, and the other menu was gazpacho with garlic toast. And here is the tomato bruschetta.
Presentation siya. Presentation
So ongoing rating now. They're giving the rating for when it comes to presentation, the, the plating. Okay, so let's continue here, guys, at Royal Island Resort and Spa Maldives for the competition for our culinary team, Zero Food Waste competition. This is made out of the vegetable trimmings. Instead of throwing it out, they use their creativity to reduce the food wastages. Yes. Okay, so at this point we are now on the third steps, which is the food testing. This is now we are testing every single menu to make it sure that the taste is perfect according to their palate. Yeah. So this is one of the most crucial as well in this kind of competition, because tasting is varies from tongue to tongue, so each judges are really carefully giving their judgment when it comes to the taste of the food. Not only on the taste of the food, they are also looking at into the texture and the quality as it is being cooked, and the different ingredients. How does it taste into the different ingredients of this different menu that our competitors are making. So once again, this is one of our judges is a member of the World Association of Chefs in the Maldives. These are the most competent chefs in the Maldives when it comes to culinary. This is their expertise. They are the best people who could give a good critics when it comes to the food. So that's why they're carefully taste every single menu for this second batch of the competition.